Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo wa kwezono.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Chukwuno Soul Captures. Ndibanya, Anakelonu. Papa Chukwuno Soul Captures, aka Mazi. Chakom, aka the digital makeup artist, and you are tuned in for another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so let's give it up for Tasha. Give it up for Tasha. All right, so thank you, Tasha, for sending in your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway.